Introduction to Information Security Programs. Understanding Information Security. Information security is the practice of protecting information by mitigating risks and implementing security controls. It ensures that sensitive data remains confidential, accurate, and available to authorized users. Importance of information security programs. In today's digital landscape, organizations face increasing cyber threats, including malware, ransomware, and insider threats. An effective information security program is essential to safeguard critical assets, ensure regulatory compliance, and maintain customer trust. The CIA Triad. The foundation of information security is based on three core principles. Confidentiality, ensuring that sensitive information is accessible only to authorized individuals. Integrity, protecting data from unauthorized modifications. Availability, ensuring data and systems are available when needed. Real-world case study. Equifax data breach, 2017. A lack of proper patch management led to the exposure of 147 million personal records. The breach highlighted the importance of timely software updates and proactive risk management. 2. Developing an information security strategy. Key components of an information security strategy. Developing a successful security strategy involves 1. Aligning security with business objectives. Security should support business operations rather than hinder them. 2. Defining security policies and procedures. Establishing clear guidelines for handling information securely. 3. Creating governance structures, assigning responsibilities to IT security teams, CISOs, and risk committees. One. Ensuring regulatory compliance, adhering to standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, NIST, ISO 27001. Engagement activity. Discussion. What are the biggest security risks in your industry? Break out into small groups and present findings. 3. Risk management and compliance. Understanding risk management. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating security risks that could impact an organization. A structured approach ensures that potential threats are proactively addressed. Risk assessment process. 1. Threat identification, recognizing cyber threats such as malware, phishing, and insider threats. 2. Vulnerability analysis, identifying weaknesses in systems, networks, and human factors. 3. Impact assessment, evaluating the consequences of security incidents. 4. Risk prioritization, using frameworks like NIST RMF, ISO 27005, FAIR model. 5. Mitigation strategies, implementing controls such as encryption, firewalls, and employee training. Compliance standards. Organizations must comply with legal and industry regulations, including General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, protects personal data of EU citizens. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, safeguards medical records. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, ensures secure handling of credit card information. Case study, Marriott Data Breach, 2018. A major breach compromised over 500 million guest records due to insufficient vendor risk management, emphasizing the need for strong third-party security controls. 4. Security awareness and training. Why security awareness matters. Over 85% of security breaches result from human error. Security training ensures employees recognize threats like phishing, social engineering, and weak passwords. Best practices for security training. 1. Phishing simulations. Test employees' ability to identify malicious emails. 2. Interactive cybersecurity workshops. Engage staff through hands-on training. 3. Role-based training. Tailor security education to specific departments. 4. Incident response drills. Prepare teams to handle cyber incidents effectively. Activity. Conduct a live phishing email test where participants identify suspicious emails. 5. Budgeting and resource management. Challenges in security budgeting. Organizations often struggle to balance security investments with business priorities. Cybersecurity budgeting must prioritize high-risk areas without overspending. Cost-effective security measures. Open-source security tools. Using tools like Snort, OpenVAS reduces costs. Cloud security services. Outsourcing security operations can enhance protection. Third-party security assessments. Hiring external experts to evaluate risks. Case study. Target's 2013 breach. Failure to invest in proper security monitoring led to a major breach affecting millions of customers. 6. Vendor and supply chain security. Managing third-party risks. Organizations often rely on third-party vendors for IT services, but these partners can introduce security vulnerabilities. Third-party risk management, TPRM, ensures that external vendors meet security standards. Best practices for vendor security. Vendor risk assessments. Evaluating security controls before partnering with vendors. Contractual security requirements. Ensuring vendors comply with cybersecurity policies. Continuous monitoring. Conducting regular security audits. Discussion question. What security risks can arise from working with third-party vendors? Participants list. Potential risks and mitigation strategies. 7. Incident response and disaster recovery. Incident Response Plan (IRP). An IRP outlines the steps organizations take when a security incident occurs. The NIST 800-61 framework defines the following phases. 1. Preparation, developing an incident response strategy. 2. Detection and analysis, identifying security threats. 3. Containment and eradication, isolating and removing threats. 4. Recovery, restoring normal operations. 5. Post-incident review, analyzing lessons learned to improve security. Disaster recovery (DR) strategies. Data backups, regularly backing up critical data. Failover systems, ensuring redundancy for high availability systems. Crisis communication plans, informing stakeholders during breaches. Real-world example, Sony Pictures hack, 2014. A state-sponsored cyber attack disrupted Sony's operations and exposed confidential data. 8. Measuring security program success. Key performance indicators (KPIs). 1. Incident detection and response time (MTTD/MTTR). 2. Number of security incidents resolved. 3. Employee security awareness scores. 4. Audit and compliance results. Building a security-first culture. Encouraging employees to report security concerns. Conducting regular security assessments. Aligning security initiatives with business goals. 9. Conclusion and open Q&A. Final thoughts. A well-developed information security program protects organizations from cyber threats, ensures compliance, and promotes a culture of security awareness. Continuous improvement is key to staying ahead of evolving risks. Resources for further learning. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. OWASP Top 10 Security Risks. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, certification.